two videos here.
Feels ahead of me.
Today, since it's a Wednesday, we had a scheduled gaming session, and we have actually kept it during the weekdays because weekends were not happening for every single one of us to come together and play it. So I think Wednesday is working out just fine as of now. Nobody's having any kind of real problems as such. And look at this. I think you might have already seen that I like to wear beanies once in a while, and especially because I have this long, this pony as well. It's just a lot more comfortable certain times. Whenever I'm feeling lazy, instead of getting it all in place, I just wear a beanie and I'm pretty much done for. And mom had been to Decathlon a while back with dad, and when she was there, she totally mistook a helmet cap for a beanie, and she purchased this one for me, and she was very happy to get this for me. So I'm just holding this tight, so just waiting for some particular ride to come along. So maybe after COVID-19, I don't know, that will be really, really long, I guess. And I also had a super long chat with TV after a very long time, so it was a pretty good one. We had it discussing a lot of things from the past. We discussed our friends, we discussed the events that are happening, the achievements that were happening, and I also had my lunch. I have planned to work out today. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಹೊಸದು ಐಫೋನ್ದಾ ಅದು ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್
ಏನಾನ ಬೈತಾವಳದು ಅಪ್ಪೆ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನೋ ತಿಳಿದ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಡೈಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಡಿದೆ? 43.
ಎಣ್ಣೆಗಿಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್.
Today there has been a lot of discussions that are happening around the line of fitness, and I'm also going to take the air bike and just open it up and see what are the things that the things that I entail inside the box, and keep it back. I don't want to be messing around with it because if they are going to come and assemble, why to unnecessarily mess with it, right? So Fluffy is calling me. I haven't really come downstairs at all today. So once I woke up, it was a bit late already. I started gaming, and other work was going on. She just heard my voice. Let's go take a look. She's waiting. She knows I'm coming down. She's going to keep looking. Chandan, switch on the lights. In the morning, you kept barking at someone. You kept barking at someone. Hey. Look at this mess. people just throw pretty much anything and everything over here because it stayed empty for a very long time now. We have come to this area almost 15 years back, and there is a case that is actually ongoing with respect to this given property, and that is the reason a lot of people, they come over here, they check it, they clean things up as well, but then again they leave. So this has happened multiple times. I mean, I think I have put up in the vlog where this whole site was getting cleaned up. It grows super high, and they bring in all the people over here to work, they cut things off, and finally again it goes back to the same state. Now again it has become a junkyard.
Sementara dua tentang kafe kue nam.
What's up, KJ? Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. So that was a pretty long call. So we were just discussing about the work, and Nikhil is basically totally escalating his own skill level and the way he can manage and organize his own work as well as can help his own teammates. So now I also have a couple of important agreements to actually go through today. I think I mentioned that. Go through today and send it over. One more thing that I noticed with my today's vlog release is that not a lot of people have really watched it. It has just about 13 views. On an average, I used to get about 40, but today I have just about 13 views and 3 likes. But anyway, that's not really demotivating necessarily, because I'm really enjoying the process of doing these videos every single day. And given the fact that I don't get to really go out because of all the COVID-19 reasons, and I have a limited space and a limited resources out here, I have been able to consistently do it for a while, and I think that's going on pretty well. I don't know. I mean, I haven't really decided as to how long I would like to do this, but I myself was thinking that I'm going to continue till I feel the whole vlogging process itself is a lot easier for me, where I just have to spend about 2 to 3 hours and get a video out. If I start feeling that, I think that will be pretty good, and I'll be able to experiment other kind of videos that I really want to do, and those videos I definitely want views. Vlogs I don't really care about so much, because that's something that really enhances the way I feel, and it's all the memories, and I feel very good about it. Yo, what's up? What?
ಒಂದು ಬೇಗ ಬಾ, ಉಪ್ಸಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ ಕಂದು. ನೀನು ತಿಂದರೆ ನಾನು ತಿಂತೀನಿ ಬಾ ಕಂದು. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕಂದು. ನಿಂಗೆ ಏನ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ತಿಂತೀನಿ ಬಾ.
And by the way, the lights are fixed. There used to be only 2, now you can see 3. Whew. So got it up. Basically, there's no way to specifically handle the entire box. There's no place where I can hold it. So because of which I think I got a little bit of rashes in here. But that's okay. That's gonna fade. Well, that was a sort of a good warm-up, I guess. And don't go by the size. It is actually heavier than it looks.